In this video, we're going to learn how to convert improper fractions into mixed numbers. So to start with, what is an improper fraction? Well, an improper fraction is where the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So if you have something like 4 over 3, that is an improper fraction because the number on top is bigger than the number on bottom. And typically we don't like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and try one out. Let's say we have the fraction 8 over 3. Well, how in the world do we figure out how to change this into a mixed number? Well, we just go ahead and divide, right? A fraction is simply 8 over 3 is 8 divided by 3. So you could just say, well, how many times does 3 go into 8? Well, that's a great question. So how many times does our 3 go into 8? Well, I think that 3 goes into 8 2 times. So that's going to be a total of 6. Subtract that away, and you're left with a remainder of 2. Okay, so typically we would write this as an answer of 2 remainder 2, right? If you're doing kind of your standard division. But we want to rewrite this as a mixed number. Okay, so our answer, which is our quotient, was 2. So that's going to be our whole number. Okay, so the 2, the answer goes right here. And then our remainder is going to be our new numerator. So your remainder of 2 is going to go as your numerator of 2. And then our divisor, what we started with, we're dividing by 3, is going to be our denominator again. Okay, so the divisor stays the same, right? That 3 ends up on the bottom. The 3 is still on the bottom. So our mixed number is 2 and 2/3. Okay, so you're going to have your quotient, your remainder, and your divisor. So just think of it that way. Go ahead and divide it out, and then your mixed number looks like this: quotient, remainder, divisor. So in our case, 2 right here and 2/3. Okay, let me just show you one more example. Let's try, I don't know, 12 over 5. Okay, so again, we're going to divide 12 by 5 and see what we get. Well, 5 can go into 12 2 times. 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract, and we're left with a remainder of 2. Okay, we end up with 2 remainder 2 again. All right, so this is going to be 2, and then we have a 2 here with a divisor of 5. So 2 and 2/5. Okay, so 12 over 5 is equal to 2 and 2/5. Right, our quotient, our remainder, and our divisor. Okay, so now what I'd like you to do is go ahead and try one on your own to make sure you have this completely down. So I would like you to do maybe 16 over 3. Okay, so what I want you to do is convert this into a mixed number just like we've been doing. But I want you to hit pause now, try it on your piece of paper, and then come back when you have the answer. Okay, I'll reveal the answer and how I got it in 3, 2, 1. Are you finished? Did you try it on your own? Yeah, cool. So our answer is 5 and 1/3. Let me show you how we did that. We take our 16, we divide it by 3. Well, 3 can go into 16 5 times. We multiply that out, we get 15. Subtract, you're left with a remainder of 1. So instead of saying 5 remainder 1, we have 5 as our whole number, the quotient. Our remainder is 1, and our denominator is still 3, right? That never changes. So 16 over 3 equals 5 1/3. All right, I hope that made sense. If you're interested in some online private math tutoring, you can reach me at www.mathradio.com or email me, Teacher Scott, directly, scott@mathradio.com. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.